In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Wonder23RF. First, head over to the Wonder23RF website and create a contributor account if you do not already have one. During signup, complete your contributor profile and accept the contributor terms. This is an important setup step because 123RF uses this account to manage your uploads, submissions, and earnings. The platform supports several content types, including photos and illustrations, so make sure you're entering the contributor area rather than the regular buyer side of the site. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon and open the contributor dashboard. This is your main workspace for everything related to your portfolio. From here, click Upload Content, and then choose Photo or Illustration if you're uploading images. Next, choose the upload method that works best for you. If you're only sending a few files, the web upload option is usually the easiest. If you're planning to upload a large batch of images, FTP is the better choice because it's designed for higher volume transfers. If you're using web upload, simply drag and drop your image files into the upload area or click the option to select multiple files from your computer. After that, give the upload a moment to finish completely before moving on. It's a good idea to wait until every file has fully processed so nothing gets missed. When the upload is complete, you'll need to confirm content ownership. Check the agreement box to verify that you own the rights to the images and that they do not violate any copyright rules. Then click Agree and Proceed. This step is essential, since only content you have the legal right to submit should be uploaded. Your files will then appear in the draft section. This is where you add the information that helps reviewers and buyers understand your content. Enter a clear title, an accurate description, and relevant keywords for each image. Be specific and honest here. Strong keywording can make a big difference in how easily your images are discovered. If any of your images include recognizable people or private property that requires permission, upload the appropriate model or property release forms before submitting. This helps avoid delays during review. Once everything is filled out, submit your images for review. After submission, the files move from draft to pending while the 123RF review team evaluates them. Finally, go to the Manage Content section to monitor the status of your submissions. You'll typically see categories like draft, pending, accepted, and rejected. If your images are approved, they'll be added to your contributor portfolio and made available for licensing.